Damn, it's been a minute. I don't even know how to record anymore, but today I am going to be making over my room. Not really making it over, but just like trying to fix it up because it's a mess, honestly. So yeah, I actually finally got my bed in. My bed is built. So yeah, we're gonna try and fix my room. It looks a fucking mess, so God bless. So as you can see, my bed finally came in, and it's built. It doesn't look as good on camera as it does in person, but it's like really, really tall, which I love. And it's just like plain and gray, just super plain. And I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna fix up my bed now. And so I also got some new pillows, which are here. Oh. So I also got some, I'm out of breath already. I also got some new pillows from Serta. Yeah, from Serta. And they're Serta. And they're so comfortable. I'm excited about these. Wow, these pillows are so comfortable. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on too. Then I have this comforter, which my mom got me, that at first I really didn't like, but now I actually love it. So I'm gonna put this on. Oh, I'm freaking out of breath. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I love pillows, so I kind of have a lot. Alright, so sorry that the light is so bad, but here's my bed. I don't know why, for some reason, I think because it's so tall, it looks really like small, but it's a queen size bed. I don't know why it looks like not that big, but this is it. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with how tall this is. So I bought like a couple throws. I don't know which one I actually want to use. I have this white one. And it'll just be like at the end of the bed. Oh, I actually really like the white one. But I also have this gray one. I didn't open this one yet, but it looks like this. They're both so soft. I kind of feel like the white one pops a little better. So I think I'm gonna use the white throw. And then I'm also ordering a bench. Hold on. I'm also ordering a bench, which is gonna go right here. It's just like a gray bench. It kind of looks like the headboard, like that, like tufted, like look. But yeah, that's gonna go right here when I get it. But yeah, there's that. Now I'm just deciding, I have to open my nightstand, if I should put it on this side or this side. But I think I'm gonna do this side just because I have the vanity over there, which I need to fix also. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put it over here. So that's next. All right, so I decided I'm gonna put the nightstand on this side. I'm just figuring out how I'm gonna like carry it over here. It's heavy, but I got this, okay? God. Oh my God, this is so heavy. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. All right, so there's the nightstand. I don't know if you can really see it because it's kind of far, but it's like a mirrored nightstand. I'm gonna open it. Wow, it's so pretty. This is my first time actually like seeing it outside the plastic, obviously. And it's beautiful. I love it. I don't even know where the knobs are. Oh, they're in here. I don't even know how to work this. The knobs are inside. I feel like I'm gonna be using Windex every like 2 hours because this mirrored material like gets fingerprints on it so quickly, and I'm gonna be like psycho about that. Look, Mike is calling me from New York. I don't know what that is. Alright, so I guess that's how you do it. I don't really know, but I think that's how you do it. They're just on the inside, so you just switch it. Okay, so the nightstand's all done. Now I just gotta add the lamp I bought for it onto it. So let me go get the lamp. Alright, so I have this lamp that I got to go on top of the nightstand. Yeah, I just don't know how I'm gonna put this together. Like, it looks really complicated, even though it's just like a small lamp. Look at it. Like, what? So, see, like, this is too many pieces. Here's like the base of the lamp. Like, I know what this part is. Okay. There better be instructions in here. Oh shit. This looks like it's about to be like complicated, honestly. Oh, great. Love that. No instructions. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Amazon. Awesome. Alright, so I have no instructions, so I'm gonna try to figure this out. So these have to go all the way around it. I feel like this is gonna take forever. So I did one of these things and it took like 3 minutes. So this is gonna take me forever. It's impossible to do because of my nails. They're too long, but I'm gonna try and do this. Okay, so this lamp is literally taking me forever and it's ruining my nails in the process. So I'm gonna take a break from this lamp and come back to it. But this is what I did so far. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Alright. So this will go here, obviously. But this is what I got so far. And I still have to do the outside too. But these are gonna go all the way around and then the bulb will go here. But this is so hard to get these on. Like, it's crazy. But I'm gonna come back to this. Okay, so I kind of wanted to put my vanity on this wall. But I think I'm gonna keep it here just because it's by the window. You guys can see the window's right there. So it's like a lot of natural lighting while I do my makeup. So I'm gonna keep it there, but I'm just gonna fix it up. These are the best freaking vitamins ever. Best vitamins. Oh my god. What I really need, which I didn't order yet because I still don't know which one I want, but I'm gonna get like I'm gonna get like a little like storage set, so I could put like all my other makeup, because this is only like 20% of my makeup, maybe 30% of my makeup. So I'm gonna get like little storage drawers to put the rest of my makeup in, and like hair stuff, like combs and brushes and stuff. So yeah, it's one more thing I need to get. Alright, so as you can see, I still have my laundry basket. I have it in here instead of in my laundry room because I don't have a hamper. So I finally have a hamper now. Well, I did have a hamper, but I left it at my old house. So what I can is wow, I'm really weak. And this is the hamper that I got. Oh, I didn't even know it had wheels. That's really cute. Now I just have to figure out how to put it together. Literally nothing has instructions, like nothing. It seems kind of small, but I like that it has like wheels. I like that it says laundry right here. And then it has like this like drawstring once it's all full, I guess. So let's try it. Oh, it actually holds more than I thought. Yeah, it actually holds a lot. So, honestly, I think I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. My bathroom looks a little crazy, so don't judge me. But, whoa, I have like all this space over here. I mean, I guess I could leave it there for now, and then I'll just figure what to do with it later. Also, I didn't order a desk yet that I like. As you can see, I still have a lot of stuff to order, so there's probably gonna be like a part 2. But I have this like little table that like I had for years. So I'm gonna put my computer on it for now until I get a desk that I like. So yeah. So update, I finally finished this lamp. It's so pretty. I love it. But the only thing is I don't have the right size light bulb to go inside, so I'm gonna pick one up tomorrow. But yeah, finished the lamp. Alright, so for the most part, I'm pretty much finished, besides the stuff that I still need to order. There's probably going to be a part 2 to this, so I'm going to give you guys like a little tour of how it looks so far. Okay, we're not going in my bathroom, because my bathroom looks crazy. And we're not going in my closet, because my closet looks crazy also. But yeah. Here's my bed. I don't know why it looks so small on camera. This is a queen size bed, guys. This back of like the headboard part is so tall. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah. There's the bed. Remember, I'm gonna get like a gray bench that's gonna go at the end here. So this is not done, but yeah. Then aren't these slippers just so freaking cute? My mom bought those for me. Then here's the nightstand that I love. It's all mirrored, super cute. And then I have the lamp, which I don't have a bulb for yet, but once I get the bulb, it's gonna be all bright and shining. Super cute. Have a little candle there, which I'll probably light later tonight. And then right now I just have in this plug-in from Bath & Body Works. Smells so good. I love these things. Okay, so I have my ring light right there. But here I have my vanity. And I love the color of this little like rug. It's like a little blush color, super cute. So on my vanity, I just have like my everyday makeup that like, obviously I wear every day. Like I said before, I'm gonna get little storage drawers to go right here where I'm gonna put like my hair stuff, all my other makeup, and whatever else needs to go there. So I still have to order that too. That'll probably be in like the part 2 of this video. But yeah, it's my vanity. Then I have my computer over here. I don't have my desk yet, like I said, so that's another thing I need to order, but in the meantime it's just on this little table right now. And that's pretty much it. Guys, I really don't like clutter, and I don't like a lot of stuff. Like I like a very minimal like decor, so I love how plain it looks. I just need to find like a really cute like painting to put somewhere. Painting, 1 or 2 actually. And maybe like, I don't know. I just gotta find a couple more things to like complete it. But this is part 1. This is what I have so far. So yeah.